NC DOT wins FAA waiver for remote BVLOS ops at construction sites. NC has been a leader in advancing drone operations. Now, the NC DOT announces an FAA waiver to remotely launch and fly drones beyond visual line of sight BVLOS to inspect the agency's construction projects. The department will use a drone dock, or drone in a box, solution from U.S. drone manufacturer Skydio. NC DOT will place weatherproof drone stations on site at construction projects across the state, using them to remotely monitor the sites and provide progress reports to stakeholders. The waiver will help the agency to realize the value of drone imagery at a greater scale, with lower costs. This FAA waiver allows us to monitor project sites from anywhere, anytime, without the need for drone pilots to drive to sites and set up drone systems to capture and stream images, said Becca Gallas, director of the NC DOT's Division of Aviation, which manages the agency's use of drones. That will save time and money and increase the safety of our employees by removing the risk associated with this field work. This latest FAA waiver follows a 2020 waiver that allowed NC DOT to become the nation's first state transportation agency to inspect bridges using drones beyond the visual line of sight of the pilot. NC DOT Division of Aviation is piloting the use of docked drones with the private firm Skydio, one of 18 partners in its Beyond program. NC DOT is one of 8 U.S. teams testing and demonstrating how drones can be safely used for business and government purposes to inform the Federal Aviation Administration's regulation of these rapidly advancing technologies. This is a new tool for our toolkit, Gallas said. Our pilot program will serve as an example of the transformative potential of remote drone operations, ensuring the continued advancement of our state's infrastructure projects.